Hey guys, this is Sweet Seville. Let me show you how I make potato pancakes. I have here around 3.5 pounds of peeled potatoes, and for the best results I am using this kind of grater blade. Grate potatoes and immediately add half of lemon juice to prevent browning. Mix. Strain, lightly pressing down through the sift. You might get a lot of liquid or a little. It all depends on potatoes. When you pour that liquid out, you will find the starch. Just scrape it out and add back to the potatoes. Add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of flour. Mix well. Preheat good amount of oil. I am using a cast iron skillet. I use tablespoon to form pancakes. Fry on a medium-high heat from both sides until golden brown. Ta-da! Just like this. Enjoy!